Hi. Welcome guys, today's topic is our solar system. Our solar system is a collection of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects that orbit around a central star called the Sun. The Sun is a massive, luminous ball of gas that provides heat and light to the solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system, listed in order from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets vary in size, composition, and distance from the Sun, and each has its own unique characteristics. In addition to the planets, our solar system contains numerous other objects, including dwarf planets like Pluto, moons that orbit around the planets, asteroids, and comets. These objects are spread out in a vast region of space called the solar system, which extends from the Sun to the outer reaches of the Kuiper belt. Our solar system is just one of many such systems that exist in the universe, and studying it can provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planets and other celestial bodies. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, with internal convective motion that creates magnetic fields and produces sunspots and other solar phenomena. Here are some details about the Sun. Size and distance. The Sun has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, 870,000 miles, which is about 109 times larger than Earth's diameter. The distance from Earth to the Sun is about 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles. Composition. The Sun is primarily made up of hydrogen and helium gas, which make up about 98% of its total mass. The remaining 2% is made up of other elements, such as carbon, oxygen, and iron. Temperature and energy. The surface temperature of the Sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core temperature is about 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun generates energy through the process of nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium and release energy in the process. This energy powers the Sun's radiation and light, which are essential for life on Earth. Solar flares and sunspots. The Sun is an active star that undergoes cycles of solar activity, with peaks occurring about every 11 years. During these cycles, the Sun can produce large solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and other space weather events that can impact Earth's atmosphere and technology. Sunspots are dark areas on the Sun's surface that are caused by magnetic activity and can be observed with telescopes. Importance. The Sun is essential for life on Earth, providing heat, light, and energy for photosynthesis and other biological processes. It is also a key focus of study for astronomers, who use telescopes and other instruments to understand its properties, behavior, and impact on the solar system and beyond. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest planet to the Sun. Here are some key details about Mercury. Size and distance. Mercury has a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, 3,032 miles, which is about 1/3 the size of Earth's diameter. It is located about 77 million kilometers, 48 million miles, from the Sun. Orbit and rotation. Mercury has the shortest orbital period of any planet in the solar system, completing one orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. It also has a slow rotation, taking about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. Atmosphere and surface. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere composed mainly of helium and traces of sodium, potassium, and oxygen. Its surface is heavily cratered and is covered in a layer of fine, powdery material called regolith. The surface temperature of Mercury can reach up to 427 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, on its sun-facing side, while the temperature drops to as low as -173 degrees Celsius, -280 degrees Fahrenheit, on its dark side. Magnetic field. Mercury has a weak magnetic field, about 1% the strength of Earth's magnetic field, that is thought to be generated by the planet's iron core. Exploration. Several missions have been sent to explore Mercury, including NASA's Mariner 10 in 1974-75 and the Messenger spacecraft, which orbited the planet from 2011 to 2015. These missions have provided valuable information about Mercury's surface, composition, and magnetic field. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and composition. Here are some key details about Venus. Size and distance. Venus has a diameter of about 12,104 kilometers, 7,521 miles, which is about 95% the size of Earth's diameter. It is located about 108 million kilometers, 67 million miles, from the Sun. Atmosphere and surface. Venus has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid that create a dense and opaque layer that traps heat from the sun, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect that makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. Its surface is characterized by volcanic and tectonic activity, with large impact craters and vast plains of basaltic rock. Rotation and orbit. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets, meaning that its day is longer than its year. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, while 1 year on Venus, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is about 225 Earth days. Magnetic field. Venus has no global magnetic field, although there are localized magnetic fields in some regions of the planet's surface. Exploration. Several missions have been sent to explore Venus, including NASA's Magellan spacecraft in the 1990s and the European Space Agency's Venus Express mission, which operated from 2006 to 2014. These missions have provided valuable information about Venus's surface, composition, and atmosphere, helping scientists better understand the planet's extreme conditions and history. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only known planet in the universe that supports life. Here are some key details about Earth. Size and distance. Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles, making it the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is located about 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles, from the Sun. Atmosphere and surface. Earth's atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%, with trace amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane. The planet's surface is covered mainly by water, about 71% of the surface, and land, about 29% of the surface, with diverse ecosystems that support a wide variety of life forms. Rotation and orbit. Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, creating the cycle of day and night. It orbits the Sun once every 365.24 days, creating the cycle of seasons. Magnetic field. Earth has a strong magnetic field that helps protect the planet from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. Moon. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which is about 1/4 the size of Earth. The Moon's gravitational pull causes tides on Earth and has played a significant role in shaping the planet's geological and biological history. Importance. Earth is the only known planet in the universe that supports life, making it a unique and valuable place in the cosmos. It is also a key focus of study for scientists, who seek to better understand the planet's geology, climate, and ecosystems, as well as its place in the larger universe. Mars. Size and distance. Mars has a diameter of about 6,779 kilometers, 4,212 miles, which is about half the size of Earth's diameter. It is located about 227 million kilometers, 141 million miles, from the Sun. Atmosphere and surface. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. Its surface is characterized by large volcanoes, deep canyons, and vast deserts. Mars also has polar ice caps made up of frozen carbon dioxide and water. Rotation and orbit. Mars rotates on its axis once every 24.6 Earth hours, creating a cycle of day and night. It orbits the Sun once every 687 Earth days. Magnetic field. Mars has a weak magnetic field, about 1% the strength of Earth's magnetic field. Exploration. Several missions have been sent to explore Mars, including NASA's Viking, Pathfinder, and Curiosity rovers, and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. These missions have provided valuable information about Mars' surface, composition, and history, and have helped scientists better understand the planet's potential for hosting life. Jupiter. Size and distance. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 139,822 kilometers, 86,881 miles, more than 11 times the diameter of Earth. It is located about 778 million kilometers, 484 million miles, from the Sun. Atmosphere and surface. Jupiter has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with colorful bands of clouds and powerful storms, including the famous Great Red Spot. It has no solid surface, but rather a thick layer of gas that gradually becomes denser toward the planet's core. Rotation and orbit. Jupiter rotates on its axis once every 9.9 Earth hours, making it the fastest rotating planet in the solar system. It orbits the Sun once every 11.9 Earth years. Magnetic field. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field, about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Exploration. Several missions have been sent to explore Jupiter, including NASA's Galileo spacecraft and the Juno mission, which is currently in orbit around the planet. These missions have provided valuable information about Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons, helping scientists better understand the planet's structure and history. Saturn, size and distance. Saturn has a diameter of about 116,460 kilometers, 72,367 miles, making it the second largest planet in the solar system, behind Jupiter. It is located about 1.4 billion kilometers, 886 million miles, from the Sun. Atmosphere and surface. Saturn has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with colorful bands of clouds and a prominent ring system made up of ice and rock particles. It has no solid surface, but rather a thick layer of gas that gradually becomes denser toward the planet's core. Rotation and orbit. Saturn rotates on its axis once every 10.7 Earth hours, making it the second fastest rotating planet in the solar system, behind Jupiter. It orbits the Sun once every 29.4 Earth years. Magnetic field. Saturn has a strong magnetic field, about 580 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Exploration. Several missions have been sent to explore Saturn, including NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which orbited the planet from 2004 to 2017 and provided valuable information about Saturn's rings, moons, and atmosphere. Uranus, size and distance. Uranus has a diameter of about 50,724 kilometers, 31,518 miles, making it the third largest planet in the solar system. Thanks for watching.